Hi everyone, I'm Curt Frye, and in this movie, I would like to continue the Excel Fundamental Skills series by showing you how to use the take function. The take function will pull rows from an array either at the top or the bottom. If you want to follow along, you can download the sample file I'm using, take.xlsx, using the download link that you'll find in the video description below. In columns A and B, I have a table with dates and then also sales data. And as the headers in column D indicate, I want to find the most recent 2 days of sales or the oldest 3 days. And we are assuming that I only have one entry per date. I can do that using the new take function. So I'll click in cell D2, type equal, and then take. Now I need to identify the array, and that will be the sales data table that I have over on the left, and then the sales column, because I only care about the values. So I'll do sales table. So that's the entire table. Then to identify the sales column, I'll just type sales in square brackets. So I already did the left square bracket to get the list of available columns, and a right square bracket completes the identification, then a comma. Now I need to identify the number of rows. And in this case, I want to do -2. And I do -2 because they are coming from the end of the array. Then right parentheses and enter. And I get 7,534 and 6,021. And in fact, those are the last two values. I could do the same thing for the oldest 3 days. And in this table, those appear at the top. So in cell D6, I'll type equal. Take, then in left parentheses, the array is sales table. And again, the column will be sales, so left square bracket, and then sales, then a right square bracket and a comma. And the rows will be the first 3. So I'll just type in the number 3. And again, that's positive because it refers to the start of the array, right parentheses and enter. And there are the first 3 values. And of course, there are all kinds of ways that you can determine how many rows you want to bring back either from the start or the end. You could count the number of sales on the latest date, or you could find the number of sales perhaps that are the lowest values by sorting and try to find why those dates, if you can, had such low sales. This has been a fairly straightforward example, but I think that if you are aware of take and how that function can work in your data sets, that you will find many different ways to use it. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like it and subscribe to my channel.